Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Mickey Mouse backpack telephone, and this is Sally's equipment from Oregon, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now these units are highly collectible and they're very sought after, and there is another part to this Mickey Mouse backpack telephone, but we have the handset and that's where the telephone is located. Now Sally has a note with this unit and she's talking about that her husband had this telephone for a very long time, and Sally really wants to get this telephone working for her husband, and that's really cool. The modular plug for the line cord is missing on this telephone, so Sally installed an end or a plug situation for this telephone and it still did not work. So we have other issues that we need to take a look at. We want to install a modular line plug at the end of the line cord so that you can plug this telephone into any modern jack. We also want to troubleshoot the main PC board for this telephone, so we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this telephone. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Mickey Mouse backpack telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool Mickey Mouse backpack telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time. And release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll go ahead and plug our line cord in and we'll start our ring cycle. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to hang up. We'll hit redial. And the analyzer will end in a 2. Now what we want to do is go ahead and transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We'll go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Wednesday, August 4th. The current time, 2:32 p.m. and the temperature, 81 degrees.
Now that we know that this really cool Mickey Mouse backpack telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Sally and they can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.